crazy.
TeraBrite daily vlogs.
Chrissy.
Meow. The rain doesn't bother me. I don't even know what's there. My mommy and daddy are on a conference call and I'm scared of the thunder. Come here, Lexi. Come on. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, come here. Oh, you're scared, aren't you? Oh, here comes another one. It doesn't even look, it's kind of bright outside for how bad the thunder is. I know. She was cuddling with me in the bed and then a big boom came and was cuddling with me in bed because there was little booms and then a big boom came and I didn't want her to pee on me. So I put her down. But it is freaking storming once again. Ugh. I think it's dwindling down now, but it was like really storming a little bit ago. It sucks, dude. I just want to get out of the house. You want to get out of the house too. So I guess it was so windy out here that this got knocked over and there's like a bunch of branches in the yard. I told you that was a serious storm.
This song sucks. Worst instrumental ever.
DJ's still stuck dancing. I mean, at least he's getting exercise and he's moving around. But I don't know what that is. What's that movie?
That's the Andrew pump.
Okay, this is what you do on a rainy day. You dance in your bedroom.
This looks so stupid unless you have rap music playing.
We're just a couple of guys who are wearing visors in Hawaii.
And then do sound without rap music. It looks so stupid.
Serenade them with something beautiful, Bieber. Why do you look so weird? Your eyes are like barely open.
I'm high. Why does everyone think I'm high, dude?
Cause your eyes are always closed.
I'm just always relaxed. Do you want me to do this all the time? I don't think I'm like on crack or something.
It's a lose-lose situation.
Hey guys.
Upside down. Did you see me? Could you see me? Was I hidden? Beaver! Stop. Stop!
Share your favorite in life. If you don't, you might not be a troll, but you're not very nice.